No one exists. Do not watch this if you're not ready. This belief of there being people and you being a person is just that. It's a belief. You believing that you're this person that has its own existence and that this existence is separate from all these other existences out there that are contained in all of these different people or animals or things is the greatest deception in all of reality. Because that's not the truth. You believe that is the truth because you're giving into the notions of time and space. You're giving into this notion that there are things outside of you. You believe things are outside of you because it feels that way. You perceive it that way. And because you perceive it and feel it that way, you don't question your experience. You give into it. And the more you give into it, the more you trick yourself. This is the greatest deception. The reason you're perceiving reality this way is simple. You're just succumbing to the conditioning. You're succumbing to the conditioning that enables you to perceive limitation, to perceive separation, to perceive things as if things are things, to perceive things as if those things are separate from you, to perceive those things as something outside of you, as if you're this special person, as if you hold this unique character, these unique qualities that are different from everything else. The more you give into that experience and the less you question it, is the more you'll find this message triggering, is the more you'll resist this message. Because once you begin to let go of those beliefs and you start to align with more oneness, more love, more compassion, those boundaries that you created in your mind begin to dissolve. They begin to reduce. And you start to see that what you're being aware of is literally just contained in your awareness. It will be revealed to you in your experience that what you considered things are not actual things that are separate from you. They're just animations running in awareness. They're no different than the awareness that you have right now. And it's not like you have awareness, you are awareness. You see the difference there. The very things that you call things are just appearances. They're images. They're non-separate from your awareness. You only believe that those things are out there because you're giving into the notions of space and time. You're giving into this notion that you're separate from everything else. And so now you believe that this world just keeps on going forever. And then everything just keeps on going out there linearly, constantly. That things keep extending. That things exist fixed in a location. And that they're still there when you're not aware of them. But in truth, you're only aware of whatever is in your awareness. And because that awareness is all there is, that means what you're being aware of is all there is in that precise moment. And there's nothing outside of that moment. Nothing exists outside of that moment. What does that say about your body? What does that say about the world? What does that say about anything that you're being aware of? They are not separate from you. They are you.